Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are chilling at home and I don't know when this is going to be posted, but right now it is soup season. So we got the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill ready. I put it on medium for 15 minutes with the Woodfire technology using just like a Costco blend of pellets. On there I have two, they were like half frozen chicken breasts. While those were on the Ninja, I had half of a pound of elbows boiling on the stove, and in my Vitamix I put 4 cups or an entire carton of chicken broth, and then a jar of Bertolli Alfredo sauce, 3/4 of a cup of this potato soup mix, 1 tablespoon of this bacon seasoning, it's going to be down below, and garlic, then 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, smoked paprika, pink peppercorns ground, and celery seed. Then I did 1/8 teaspoon of dill seed, grains of paradise, and charnushka seeds. And then I just did 3 whole of these black peppercorns. And I was getting ready to blend this on the hot soup function, but I forgot that I wanted to add some Velveeta cheese. So I added 1 4-ounce squeezy pack of the Velveeta cheese, and then I just ran this on hot soup. And it didn't quite get thick enough, so I added another half of a cup of the potato soup mix, and the chicken wasn't quite done, so I chopped it up and did high for 10 minutes without the Woodfire technology. And this time, since it was already hot in there, I just skipped the preheat. You can do that by just holding down the button on the side. I added 1 cup of these real crumbled bacon bits from Sam's Club into the soup, and I added the pasta. And when I say soup, I mean what I blended up. I added bacon and the pasta. Then once the chicken was done, I shredded that up and mixed it into the pasta, into the soup. This stuff was super crazy delicious. I'm going to make some changes for the next time I make it. It was a lot more salty than like a typical meal that I would make, partially because I was trying to save money by buying what was cheaper. But if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Go and eat fruit of gladness, drink wine with the joy of heart, for God has already approved what you do. Ecclesiastes 9:7. And Zena says, have a great one.